Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelechi Franklin, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you my honest opinion about the eNaira app. Yes, the eNaira app is Nigerian digital currency which has been made available by our country in order to make transactions more effective and easier. So before I move on, please, if it's your first time to join me on this channel, please do well to click on the subscribe button and click on the notification button as well, so that you will get notified whenever I drop money making videos like this. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and go to the comment section. You can type eNaira in order for us to create an algorithm and make more people to know that we do such things. So when the eNaira app was launched on the 25th of October, a lot of things happened. But the app was supposed to be launched on the 1st of October as was arranged, but due to some issues, it was moved to the 25th of October. So when it was launched on that 25th of October, over millions of people all over the world downloaded that app and then they started making use of it. But on the process of them, in order for them to register or log into the account or register, they were not able to do so. The app was not allowing them to put in their email account or link their email account to the app. The app was not even allowing them to put in their bank verification and all of that. So because of that, the rating was very low. The app rating was very low to the extent that it was given a 1 star, and all of a sudden it disappeared from Google Play Store. And we cannot say for a certain whether it was Google that brought it down, or the people or the individual who worked on the app. The app was produced or was developed by BitInc. BitInc is a company that develop app for countries who want to use digital currencies and all of that. So when BitInc was interviewed, according to the news, they say that probably it's because of thousands of users who logged in at the same time and they had a lot of bugs, according to them. But we cannot say for a certain, probably they were the ones that brought it down or so. But all we know that the app was later worked on, and they now have to put in all the errors or work on the bugs in order for it to function effectively. And right now, millions of people have started making use of the app all over the world, and the app right now is now rated up to 3 star and all of that. And it will interest you to know that the eNaira app has 2 apps. We have the eNaira for individual and the eNaira app for merchants. The eNaira app for individual gives you the opportunity to transfer, and it has a limit. It's for people who do business online and all of that. While the eNaira for merchant are for big business owners, people who own big businesses and who have registered companies, and it allows them to make unlimited transactions. It doesn't have any limit. So it gives you the opportunity to do transactions effectively without any issues. I'll be showing you how you can be able to register and sign up using the eNaira app and all of that. As you can see on your screen, the eNaira app has been rated. For the individual app, it has been rated 3.3 star rating, while the merchant app has been given 2.6. And over 50 billion individuals are using that app right now. So if you go to Google Play Store, you can access it and you can get it and start making good use of it. It allows you to do transactions within yourself, peer to peer, and a lot of things that it gives you the opportunity to do. So I'll be taking you straight to my screen, how I'll be showing you a step-by-step process on how you can be able to register or sign up using the eNaira app, and how you can use your mobile app to transfer, to fund your wallet or your eNaira wallet and get started with it. So without more further ado, let's go into my screen. So guys, the first thing you need to do is to come to your Google Play Store, type eNaira. When you type in eNaira, you will see 2 different apps in which you can download. We have the merchant app, sorry for that. We have 2 options where you can download the eNaira for individual and the eNaira for business, which is the merchant wallet. So the eNaira for individual gives you the opportunity to send, transfer or receive money with some limit, while the merchant app, in which are for business individual, people who do business, this one it will require you to put in your information and your company ID, There is your CAC form, the company ID which is registering your account, your business, and all of that. So once you're able to approve this particular one, you have no limit. You can receive millions of naira without no limit in a day. But as an individual who own or do small businesses or do things online, you can also use this your individual app, which gives you the opportunity to transfer, but it has some limit whereby you cannot be able to transfer more than a particular amount of money. All you just need in this particular one is just for you to put in your BVN. But in your merchant app, it will require you to put your BVN, your business ID, identification number, and all of that, and it will be approved within the next 24 hours. So that is it. Once you download it, you can start registering and all of that. Guys, after you must have downloaded it from your Google Play Store, and the next thing you need to do is to open to your eNaira app. The next thing you need to do is open your eNaira app, and then you will see it will appear like this. So when it appears like this, all you just need to do is to sign up. All you need to do is to sign up. When you want to sign up, you come to this down button here where you will see sign up, and I'll click on it. I don't want to log into my account, but I want to show you a step-by-step process on how you can be able to do that. Now when you put in the sign up button, you will see where they will say sign up with your phone. Sign up with your bank, sign up with your bank. Now you signing up with your bank gives you the opportunity to select your bank and do whatever thing you want to do. Now click on sign up with my bank. Now it will require me to put in my number and my email address. Initially, when they created this app, it didn't give option for individuals to put in their email address, but because of the bugs and everything that was happening when they created the app, or when the app was launched, they now have to put in this email address to make it more easier for things to move effectively. So I'll put in my number and my email here so that we can move to the next page where I will show you how to do all of that. So guys, once you put in your email and your phone number, it will bring you to this page where you have to put in the 6-digit code, which is an OTP that will be sent to your email account or address. All you just need to do is to go to your email, copy it, and come and paste or put the number in this particular description or box here. Okay, and then put that. So guys, I will put in my verification, and now it brings me to the page where I have to select the bank. Mind you, when you are doing this particular area, you need to select your bank. Because whatever bank you choose here, this is what you will use throughout your use of this account or use of this app. If you want to change the app or the bank in which you are using, it will require you to reopen a new eNaira wallet, and that will make you to start all from the beginning again. So whatever bank you are choosing, make sure is the bank you are using. So there is nothing like I made an error, then we'll go back and change the bank. So whatever bank you choose in this particular aspect right now is what we'll be using throughout the use of this app. So I'll select my bank, which is Guarantee Trust Bank. Now it brings me to the option where I have to put in my details, my date of birth, my account number, my bank verification number, my password, and I confirm and create the account. So I'll be doing that right now. So guys, once you put in your bank details and all of that, it will bring you to this personal information where they will use the authentication which your bank has given them, because you must have put in your BVN. They will automatically bring in all your personal information or your data in this particular personal page. So you have the opportunity to look through it, and then you agree to the terms and conditions and the policies of this eNaira wallet. So I'll click on agree, then I'll click on continue. Once I click on continue, I will allow it to load, then it will take me to the next page. Wait patiently, my network. Okay, right here, as you can see, is showing that it has successfully registered to the eNaira wallet. It says an account activation email was sent to your email address. So I have to go and confirm it, and then I can continue. So all I have to do is to go to my email, confirm that particular email, and then log into the eNaira wallet. So guys, after you must have confirmed your email and activate your email account to your eNaira wallet to the email they will send to you after you must have registered, then the next thing you need to do is to click on login. Go to login, put in your login details, your email account and your password, and it will take you directly to the home page. Into that, let me click on it so that it will take me to the home page. Now it has taken me to the home page. Now it gives me the opportunity now to set up my biometric setup. That is for me to use either my fingerprint or my face or password in order for me to be able to use this eNaira wallet effectively. I'll click on yes, and then I will set it up. Biometric has been set up it will be done automatically using your phone biometric or handprint or fingerprint. So this is the option you always see. Once you have done that, you will see the three options in which you can be able to use the eNaira individual app to do: the receive button, the pay button, and the history button. The receive button, this is where you go to receive when you want to receive payment. Yes, you can be able to send this particular scan code to any individual who you want to send money to you via the pay-to-pay method with the eNaira wallet. All you just need to do is to send this particular reference or QR code to this individual. You just tap on this share button and you can send it to anybody on any app, and the person will credit you and all of that. Or then if you want to send to someone, you can just click on this request specific amount, then you just type in the amount, where it's 500, you confirm the account amount, and then you click on done, and it will take you to send a request to anybody who you want to send it to. So the person will be able to credit your wallet and all of that. But when you want to send to someone, you as an individual want to send to someone, you can use the QR code option. Yes, all you just need to allow your phone. You use the QR code option and do that. Using this QR code option will give you the opportunity to scan any single information or anybody who you wish to send it to. When the person brings out his or her QR code, you can just scan it and send to the person, or you can do that manually by entering the person's code. Yes, just entering the person's code manually. Yes, just like the person's username. Put the person's username and QR, and it will bring you to the person's wallet immediately and do your transaction. So that is it. Then the history page is whatever transaction you must have made. It will bring it out to you here, and you see all the transactions you have done. Yes, that's how this works. This individual app is quite different from the Marchant app, where it has 4 options instead of 3 down below here. The Marchant app has 4 options down below here. It's not like this individual app, but as an individual who owns a private business who do things online, you can use this individual app. Is okay for whatever thing you want to do. Now this is the option where I have to put in my personal details and all of that. If I want to withdraw, I can authorize it through this area. You can authorize it and then do whatever thing I want to do. Then if I have any issue, I can go to the support help. They will be able to help me and do that. Down below here is where you will see your bank account, where you must have selected. Then your support center for your bank, they will help you out in whatever thing you want to do. So this is how the eNaira wallet works. It's so simple to use for now, will just manage it. This app is quite okay for those of you who buy things online. You want to pay 3,555 naira. Instead of the person to be looking for change, the person can just do the transfer here using the eNaira wallet. So it's good for the peer-to-peer and all of that. So that is it. That is how it works. So let me show you how to fund your eNaira wallet. All you just have to do is to go to your bank app. Yes, just go to your bank app. Let me take you to my bank app and show you some certain things. So once you open your bank app, all you just need to do is to go to the option where they give you the opportunity to send to your eNaira wallet. And as you can see, this is my eNaira wallet where I can do the transfer with my banking app. I'll just click on it. Then put in my details, select the eNaira wallet, select the type of transfer, put in the amount, put my username, the username in which they have given you for your eNaira wallet, and then you put in your password. This optional, this remark where you can put your name or all of that. So this is it. So when you select, you can select as an individual, or if you open the Marchant app, you can also put the Marchant app. Then you can also put in what you want to do, whether you want to transfer or withdraw using the eNaira. You put in the amount, put in your username and password, and then you click on confirm, and then your transfer will be done automatically. So it's not difficult. All you just need to do is follow step-by-step process. If your phone or your banking app does not have the eNaira wallet option, all you just need to do is to update your wallet or your app, and then you can be able to receive or be able to transfer your funds from your eNaira and all of that. So this is it, guys. This video was helpful. Please do well to click the subscribe button and the notification button and give this video a thumbs up so that more people will be able to see this kind of video and appreciate it. Please go to the comment section, type eNaira, and we'll continue to do videos like these that are helpful and all of that. See you in my next video. Peace.